Hello everyone, this is Paula from Creations Atelier, and today I want to talk about social media. Those of you who came to our last workshop with Helen Manchip have been introduced to the general concepts of how we work with social media, what works and what doesn't. This workshop is available to view for free on our website, so if anybody would like to do that, please comment or DM and we'll send you a link to the recording. Now Helen is coming back to do 3 masterclasses for us for Creations Atelier, specifically on Instagram, on LinkedIn and on Facebook. We are gonna start with Instagram. So this workshop is taking place this month. Let me just have a look at the date and time. All right, so 26th of February at 1:30 p.m. and it is a paid workshop because unfortunately we can only do one workshop in a series that is free. But we've kept the price very reasonable, only £15, and it remains free for Creations Atelier members. So we are going to go through basically how to use Instagram as an essential tool for creative businesses, which we know it can be very powerful when used correctly, but also it can be a massive waste of time if we don't use it correctly, because as artists we think we'll post a picture and, well, fingers crossed, it will go viral, and that's not how it works, of course. So yeah, so if you want to sign up for this workshop, you can join us on the 26th. It's going to be on Zoom, and it will take roughly an hour. Following that, in the next 2 months, so in March and April, Helen will come back with an in-depth masterclass on LinkedIn, which is an underused, shall we say, it's not exactly social media, is it? And that's what makes it powerful, because when people go to LinkedIn, they go there with the mindset that they're going to work and that business is supposed to happen. So LinkedIn can be really powerful as well when used correctly. And because it's underused for artists, perhaps there is something that we can tap into there. So that's happening in March. And then in April, she'll come back and do her last masterclass for us on Facebook. So how can we use Facebook for our business? And we know that Facebook is, for me at least, Facebook has been probably the easiest network to use because I use it a lot for my personal stuff. But with Facebook, we've got a number of different ways in which we can reach new audiences. So we have Facebook groups, obviously very powerful, probably the most powerful way at the moment for me personally. We've got our pages, and we've got our personal profiles, which we can use to connect with people. And then we've got obviously direct messages, Facebook Messenger, and stuff like that, and all of those things, because they are the same company nowadays, and they integrate with WhatsApp. So yeah, that would be our next 3 masterclasses, and you can come for free to all of them if you become a member of Creations Atelier. For the moment, our founders member offer is still running, so you can join for as low as $5.50 a month to access these workshops, and then the specialized membership subscriptions for artists are start at £32. However, we do still have a discount for that at 25%. So if you would like to join us, you can access the workshops for free. And if you just want to come to one or all 3 of the workshops, you can pay separately at £15 per masterclass. So that's it from me for today, and I look forward to seeing you at our next workshop. Bye.